What's up guys? Today I got my hands on the Ronin-S. In this video we're gonna unbox it in the video coming up. I'm gonna start by peeling these things off right here. We're gonna slide this up right here. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. In the bottom of the box, there's this little compartment, and basically you can just pull it up. As you can see, it just fits in there. And when you turn it around, you can open it up. So you get these 3 pamphlets inside the box. Now in these pamphlets, you have the Ronin-S manual. So it labels all the parts for you right here, which is nice. Then after that, you're gonna get your quick start guide right here. So one thing to notice is the quick start guide actually only has 8 pages in English. However, the whole booklet's 92 pages because it has almost every language you could think of in here. And then the last little pamphlet is your disclaimer and safety guidelines. All right guys, so let's put this box aside and let's get into the real box. One thing I noticed just right off the bat, that this box looks an awful lot like this box. This is the Phantom 4 Pro and this is the Ronin-S. As you can see, they are almost the same size. The Ronin is ever so slightly taller than the Phantom 4 box, slightly longer than the Phantom 4 box as well. And as you can see, side by side, the Ronin-S is much slimmer than the Phantom 4 box. One thing to note, DJI makes this little latch right here. It's the same thing on the Ronin-S. As you can see, they both have this little latch right here for opening it up. So let's do that. You just pull up, then you turn it to the side like that, and then you just open it up. All right, so let's talk about each one of the parts inside the Ronin-S box. All right, so we'll start with the biggest part, the gimbal, which is right here. So this is the first part. This is the gimbal, the main unit for stabilizing your camera. Let's take that out. Next, right next to it, we have the little tripod. Feels really sturdy in the hand. All right, it's not huge. You know, you can grip it like this. Just lends another hand, so you can grip it with one hand and one hand up here, or you can grip it with 2 hands down here if you wanted. And that just opens up like this. You'll notice it has these little pads on the side, so this keeps it from moving around if you set it down on a table or some other place. It also is made with a material that feels really nice, really sturdy, and just overall feels really well built. All right, right here we have the battery grip. This is called the BG37 grip, and as you can tell, it has different size rings right here. So you can mount the extended grip tripod right here like this. And then what you have is you can hold it like this. Feels really nice in the hand. I can't tell you how well it feels, but it feels really just nice. And I like the fact that this is a battery and it's also the grip. So it's 2 of the same thing built in one. And then obviously on the other end, you can see the connection right there. And you take the entire gimbal and you put it on top. You can see the connections right there, match up with the connections there. And then you just slide it on like so, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna save this little box for last. What I'm gonna do is go over here, and what we have here is the mounting plate. So this is obviously where you put your camera on, and then that mounts in right there like that. Then over here we have this little charger right here. Now I like this charger because you can plug it in and it's USB compatible. So you just charge it with a USB cable right there. Fairly straightforward. If you live in a different country, you can just get an adapter for your wall. Any country it's compatible with. Alright, and the last but not least, we have this little pouch here. So let's move the entire box aside. So this little pouch right here, this is the accessories box. And inside you have all your little accessories that you need for setting up your Ronin-S. So if we flip this up right here, we can see that inside we have the lens support right over here, which you're going to mount onto your lens to support your lens right here. Keep it sturdy. All right, so let me just put that down right now. All right, so the next accessory is the camera riser. If you had a smaller camera, you could put it on. So I'm probably going to use this with my DSLR. What you can do is you can put this guy on top. If you had a smaller camera, you can mount it on top like so. So that's the camera riser right there. All right, so we have these 1/4 screws right here. You can see. We have other little small accessories which you're going to need to have as well, such as this little screw right here, this little turn handle thing. Alright, then the other little accessories we have are these little M4 screws right here, small little proprietary screws. Then you also have this little guy right here. And then you have your Allen wrenches right here. So you got 2 different Allen wrenches right there. So that's that. And now we're gonna go to the other side of the pouch. And in the other side of the pouch, so over here we have our USB-C cable. Okay, and at one end, see a USB. We have the USB male end. And then we have also this type of port at this end. And then lastly, we have our control cables. Now, multi-camera control cables, we have our Type B, Type C, and the RSS IR control cable right here. And they're all bundled up, so you can see 1, 2, and 3 of them. And then at the other ends, you can see the different ends that it has. Light bulb, little light right there. And that's it. That's all the accessories that are in the Ronin-S. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If you want to pick up the Ronin-S, I left a link in the description below, so you can just click on that. Also, if you haven't connected with me in social media, just look right above because I have all my links up there. And if you want to see more videos about how I assemble, balance, and use the Ronin-S, you can press that subscribe button right over there. And on the far end, right over there, I have more videos about DJI equipment and how to use drones. So thanks for watching guys, and remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.